Okay, welcome back. You should have your checking pin, and remember, anything I write on here should be on your page. Now, you should have already highlighted keywords and things yesterday, so hopefully that's already done on your papers. I'm going to quickly highlight so that mine will look like yours. Not going to be pretty. My tools are a lot harder to use than yours, but you should have done this as you went. Okay, so you highlighted your keywords. Let's take a look at number 1, and we're just going to follow our steps that we had from yesterday. Step 1, remember, was to put all the words in ABC order, including your guide words. And step 2 was to draw your dictionary page. All right, so you should already have that on yours. So we have ill and imagination are your guide words. We have to decide which word is on page 329. Step 1, we're going to put them all in ABC order. We notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words that all begin with the letter I. So I'm just going to go I. You, with your pencil, can just mark out your first letters. It is nearly impossible for me to do with these tools. So you mark out your I's, okay? Next letter, second letter is L, M, L, G, M. So basically we're deciding L, M, and G. What comes first in alphabetical order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we know that igloo will be our first word. You can take your pen, mark out igloo. So now we're back to L and M. Which one comes first? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So we have ill and illustrate, 2 L words. I'm just going to go ahead and write down my second letter, and then 2 M words. So we know we have to look at those next, right? So we have our L words next, ill and illustrate. Because our first 2 letters are the same, we have to look at the third letter. Well, they both have I-L-L, which means we're going to have to go to our fourth letter. Our fourth letter is nothing and you, okay? Well, nothing comes before you. So now we've got those taken care of. You can take your pen and mark them out. And now we need to look at our I M words. So we have imagination and important. I am A and I am P. Well, I am A is going to go first. So that goes first. And then important. All right, so we have finished step 1. We've put them in alphabetical order. Now we need to do step 2, draw our dictionary page. Ill is the first word on our page because it's our first guide word. Imagination is the last word, which means the word on the page is illustrate. You need to circle that. It's on our page. All right, blast off, block, blue, blender, blank. They all begin with BL. We have 5 words. If I were you, I would take my pencil and mark off BL, 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 BL so that you can focus more easily on our third letter. So our third letters, we have BL A, BLO, BLU, another BLE, and another BLA. Okay, well, what comes first are BLAs. So we need to look closely at blast off and blank, which means we're going to have to look at our fourth letter. We have BLAS and BLAN. Which one comes first? A, B, C, D. Well, now I should go ahead and put, actually, I'm going to do that. BLA, BLA, BLE, BLO, BLU, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So we actually know that blender will go here, block will go here, blue will go here. We just have to look at our blast off and blank. All right, so we have S and N. Which one comes first? N. So blank, and then blast off. All right, draw your dictionary page is step 2. Guide words are blast off and block. So what word goes on the page? Blender. All right, turn your oh, look at that. This is what happens when Mrs. Gregory tries to work from home. Sam is helping me with our guide words work. You can see here he's also licked the page, taken a little chew off there. He's very, very helpful on snow days. All right, next page. Step 1, put them in ABC order. Yours should already be highlighted. I don't have time to do that. So we have crocodile, crow, cruise, cry, crop. 5 words again. They all begin with CR, 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 CR. So we can write down our first 2 letters. Look at our third. We have O, another O, U, Y, O. So basically we're looking at what comes first between O, U, and Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So we have 3 CRO words that we'll have to look at first. But then we also have U and Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. I have an extra. Yeah, I have an extra one on there. Sorry. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so it's going to be U. So we know cruise will go here. Cry will go here. Mrs. Gregory has an extra CR. So we're done with cruise and cry. We just need to look back at our CRO words. We have 3 of them. You could take your pencil and mark out your CRO. See, it doesn't work for me. Sorry. It's just impossible. We're looking at our 4th letter. So we have CRO C, W, and P. Well, what comes first? Crocodile. Because the C comes first. LMNOP will be next. So crop is next, and then crow. All right, so step 2, draw your dictionary page based on your guide words. We have crocodile as our first word, crow is our last word. What other word goes on the page? Oh, look, Miss Gregory, it's crop. All right, look at number 4. Spin, spoken, squash, spiral, spinach, spank, splash. So we have a lot more words. They all begin with S, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 S words. They don't all have the second letter the same. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's hard. I'm trying to hurry in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 S words. You could mark out all your first letters and look at your second letter. We have P, P in spoken, Q in squash, P in spiral, spinach, spank, splash. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. 6 of them have a P, 1 has a Q. So basically we're looking at what comes first, P or Q. LMNOP, Q. So we're going to have all our SP words. And then our final word will definitely be squash. We can put that already. Mark out squash. And we need to look at our third letters in spin, spoken, spiral, spinach, spank, and splash. So we have, in spin we have an I, spoken we have an O, spiral we have an I, spinach I, spank has A, splash, be careful, the third letter is an L, okay? So basically we are looking at I, O, A, and L. Well, our first word is going to be S-P-A-N-K, spank. So now we have I's, O's, and L's, right? A, B, C, F, G, H, I. So our 3. Oh, whoa, what is that doing right there? Sorry. So we have 3 I words. Okay. And then we have O and L. Which one comes first? A, B, C, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So we know that's going to be splash. And then spoken. Done with those. So now we need to look at our SPI words and look at our 4th letter. We have N in spin, R in spiral, and N in spinach. So basically you're looking at N and R. Which one comes first? A, B, C, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N comes before R. So we know that spiral will be there. Done with spiral. We got to look at spin and spinach. SPN, nothing. SPNA, nothing comes before A. So there you got it. All right, draw our dictionary page. Spin is first. Spoken is last. What other words go on the page? Well, what's in between them? Spinach, spiral, and splash. So there are your answers. This is perfect for TEIs. So circle, spinach, spiral. Oh, spoken's already on there. Spin, spiral, and splash. Okay. Spank will not be on the page because it comes before it, before spin. And then squash won't be on there because it comes after spoken. All right. Track, tranquil, trace, trash, train, tow, and trader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words again. Okay. They don't all have the same second letter, so we got to look at letter 2. We have R, 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 O, and R. So basically, what comes first, R or O? Element O, P, Q, R. So we know that tow will be our first word. And then all our TR words will come next. Oh, I didn't do it right. Okay, I have to look at our third letters. TRA, 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 A. They all have TRA. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the A. Look at our fourth letter. We have C, N, C, S, I, D. Okay, so I'm going to write those down. You can, it's going to be easier on your paper, but C, N, C, S, I, D. So basically what comes first from those, our C's come first. We have 2 of them, right? Then D, so I know trader goes there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Train goes there. J, K, L, M, N. So tranquil goes there. And then S will be last, trash. So we got rid of a lot of words there. We're done with trash. We're done with train, tranquil, trader. We just need to look at our TRAC words and see what happens with our next letter. We have a C and, a K and an E. What comes first between K and E? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So trace goes first. Oh, and track goes next. We are done with our ABC order. Draw your dictionary page. First word on the page is track. Last word is tranquil. So tow and trace would be on the page before, most likely, or somewhere before it. Trash would be after it. What words go on the page? Trader and train. All right. Turn your page. Oh, here's Sam licking his paw. Yeah, he's really helping. What, Mama? Well, I'm not doing anything wrong. All right, so hopefully you understood your guide words page. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure everything that's written on mine is written on yours. Sorry, it's a little cumbersome for me to do my work, but hopefully it still made sense. All right, see you soon.